Yep.
Okay, so we are in truck stop.
And this is what, Stormville?
Stormville.
Route 84?
Yeah, but there's our car right there.
Yeah, that's our car.
Lots of trucks.
Lots of trucks.
And then we got Pepsi. This is Narco.
Okay.
Good.
So you've ever been here before?
We've never been before. Now this is a Dowser machine.
Yep. It's water.
Okay, so this is a EMS machine.
Snack machine.
That's $1.25.
For what, chips?
Yeah. That's $1.25. That's $1.25.
What else?
18.75. Pretzel.
How much are pretzels?
It's $1.
Okay.
That's $1.
What's $1?
That's a sour cream.
Sour cream?
That's $1.
Okay.
That's $1. 28. That's $1 also.
A lot of it's $1.
That this is Musketeers.
3 Musketeers, how much is that?
75.
75. Well, we're not we're away from the city.
That's $1.75.
What's that?
That's
Cookies?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's 75.
Okay.
That's 75.
So all the little stuff's 75? Alright, now what?
That's $2.50. That's Musketeers. That's $2.50. 42. That's $2.50. 43 is Stickers bars. That's $2.50. 46. That's $2.50.
Okay. How about the Oreos crust?
That's $2. That's also. That's 75.
$1.75? And what do honey buns cost? So it's 60?
Okay, so 66.
That's what?
360.
Starbucks coffee is $3.75?
Yeah. 375, almost to $4.
That's a lot of money. What else?
60. That's $2.
It's $2 for honey buns. Very exciting. Alright, now what?
That's $1.
Those are what? Cheese toasteds?
Yeah.
Now what? Is that Red Bull?
It's 375.
375 for Red Bull? Alright, so now what? You're gonna get water or you're gonna get soda?
I'm getting water. How much water here? It's $2.
$2 for water? Okay.
Yep, it's gonna take it.
Yep. You got lots of quarters? Alright.
Okay, that's good. Let's get water. Yeah, Dowser beer.
Okay, now what? You're gonna get a soda?
Yes,
How much does a soda cost?
Soda's $3.
$3?
That's $3. Now
$3?
this one, that's not face up. That's face down.
Alright.
That's like a picture. That's $1. Check some flats. Good. So we're gonna need one more.
That's 2. And 3. There you go.
Okay.
Alright, so what you gonna get?
We're gonna get Pepsi. Pepsi. Alright, we're gonna do this. We're shaking it up. Sure to get spilled. Let's do this. Drop it. Sure, let the air out.
You let the gas out?
Yep.
Alright. Alright.
Good. So we've done this before. We got Pepsi machine, then we got Dowser machine.
Yep, we've never been here before. Okie
Yep.
doke.
Yep.
We're done?
Let's go.